Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove password from PDF. So firstly, open the Adobe Acrobat. Now, if you double click on this, you can see that it is asking for password. You must enter the password if you want to remove the password. So I'm just entering the password first and then click on OK and it will open. Now I'm gonna remove the password. If you don't know the password, you can't remove the password. So after doing this, you have to click on top option file and then you will find here properties. Click on properties, then choose security, and then you can see here security method password security. Click on drop down menu and choose no security. Click on OK, then click on OK again. Now if you reopen this one, let's see, double clicking on this and it is opening. Okay, it is opening without password. So guys, this is how you can remove password from a PDF. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.